You touch on a point of creating these instrumentals. Who were some of the artists you had on your instrumentals?
In the early days, all right, so in the first early days of going through the process of learning and figuring it out, there was an old timeline when I went overseas in Europe. That can be a whole separate conversation. But where came back to Jamaica and then I figure out, I already know how to build the rhythm now, mix the rhythm, and to find melodies.
Yes.
Melodies and tones. Talking about the first process that the public kind of like give me that official verification. Say, okay, I'm good. Was a song I produced with Wasp called "No Lock Off the Sun Officer."
Big tune that,
yeah.
Big tune.
That was the first song where like we produce it. Wasp, me have a little closet set up. Me live at Portmore, and him come in. But before that, actually, still, me did produce a song with his cousin named Ninja Food, aka Surf Food, which made it change the name to Surf Food. And the song when we did produce with him, it's a slight popular song, but not as big as No Lock Off the Sound Officer, but it was called Some Days. Some days when I feel like the pressure is on.
Yeah.
Like even. So that song, me did demo it first still and give him it to sing, because me did hear the tone in his voice and say, yo, you know, say
this song would have fit his voice.
it fit him voice.
Yeah.
And the first day me give it to him, him laugh off of me and call think Phantom Motion. I was around Phantom Motion them people. Call Phantom and say, yo, look what Dameon I tell me to sing. I say, you can't do it, man, me ain't know your voice. So I was able to kind of help the artist express these type of tones. But it was coming from another place, from me personally, where I write from a certain space.
Yardstyle Live.